What's up, boys?
What's up, boys?
Back at it again. Today we're gonna be riding at a construction site. I don't know if you can see that. Yep. We're gonna be risking our lives trying to get epic video for you guys today.
Hey, what are you doing, bro? Hey!
Oh my days, mate, was that close. I almost died of that wood beam. Don't ride construction sites, boys. Do not ride at construction sites.
We're the construction workers. We're hunting down bikers today.
Yep.
If we catch him lacking, I'll probably hammer his neck off. Or hit him in the head with a baseball bat.
Probably hit him with the cat's paw. Show him how the cat really meows. I don't mess around. Ow, shit!
Hey, go get him, man. Go help him, man.
Hey, there you are.
What's that? Dear God, they come back. Man, motherfucker. Yeah, get that here, dude. Under the deck here, we're construction workers.
Working? I want to see what they
I
got.
got my chainsaw.
Man, what the hell? Man, you good, bro?
I got the impact on my hard hat. Got my crowbar here. Not gonna hit a piece of wood.
Almost fell down the stairs, you know me. What the hell? What the hell is this boat doing? God damn it! Not again! Damn it. Yeah!